Dollar Tree, and I think I see some new items in the dollar spot, so let's check it out. So what I'm noticing over here, okay, is these over the chair storage, like a storage cover, and they come in purple, green, pink. Let me see, purple, green, pink, and this lime green. Okay, I thought that was pretty neat. And then I see these counting chips in the multicolor. Then these pencils here are new. Okay, you get a 12 count there, and it's called Teacher's Tree, the brand. And then what else did I see? We already saw, I showed you the tweezers, which I thought were really neat. Then they have, here it says Create a Story Dice, which I hadn't seen before, and I thought that was really nice. Create a Story Dice. And then over here it says Desk Swag, Keep It Up, and Super Helper. So that was really nice. Then you have some more reward stickers, and then these I didn't see yesterday. Let me see, sight words like adjective, and so that is one of them. And back here we have educational resources. That's a sign, I think. No, it's a 7-piece set. Educational resources, so that's one. Then you have these magnetic pocket with the window. Okay. Then we know about the flashcards. So they have division. They have the shapes and colors with Mickey. The learning cards and compare and contrast. I don't think I saw that. Then over here I'm noticing the alphabet flashcards, but these are in the animals, which I thought was nice. These are the cute little rewards. It says way to go, and these light up. This one over here says great job. So that's pretty awesome that they have. Then they have the happy birthday certificate. They didn't have that yesterday when I went shopping. And all-star student. So that's pretty nice. And then this one back here says super work. Then they have the inflatable globe, which I thought was awesome. I hadn't seen that. So that's what that looks like. Then over here it says the shapes. So let me see, it has round and square. Let's see what else. Over here I noticed that they had this the historical document poster, the Constitution. I thought that was nice. The educational poster, here's another one. Then over here the desk card rewards, which you get a 10 count. It's 3D. Then you have some more stickers here for awards. That was really nice, and there's some more back there. Then over here it says recognition award. I can tell time. That's really nice. And what are these? These are called fraction circles. I don't think I saw those. Then you have the foam erase block. Here you have the wall map. And I didn't see those at the location I was yesterday. Here are the best reward stickers. Okay, and then up here you have the foam counting blocks. I didn't see those either. That's pretty neat, guys. And then some of the borders here are different than from the location I was yesterday. So you have these leaf ones, and then you have this kind here. And you have these polka dot ones there. And then the plain ones. This one here is marble-like. Then you have those. Then you have the animals. Okay. And those. Then I thought this was pretty neat, guys. The classroom pointer. The pointer finger. That's cute. And look at this, the sand timer and the scratch off stickers. And then what is this? The reward stickers, but these come in a roll, which I thought that was pretty neat. And then these, the learning sight words from K1. And there's a 38 piece, so I thought that was really neat. Then you have the stickers, guys. You have these stickers. They're loaded up with the stickers here. So it's almost like it's a 2-pack. Yeah. So you have these heart stickers, and then the letters are in red. Then you have the flowers here, and it says friends and love, and the letters are yellow. And they have all sorts and different kinds. So over here they have the laser stickers, which I've always loved those. And then they have these stickers for girls, the princess stickers with the little, the metallic stickers. And then you have these, the car stickers, and those are laser stickers. And then you have the reptiles and the sports. So let's see. Then they have the pop-up stickers. Okay, so those are really nice. They have the stencils, and those come in different kinds. The butterflies, the sea animals, the flowers. Those are nice. Then you have your emoji stickers in the foil. Those are foil. Those are really nice to have. The magnetic planner comes in very handy, guys. And then you have these. I absolutely love these. Then you have the magnetic list pad. And then over here you have the markers and the pads and the stickers. You have the poster boards over here. The white ones are 2 for $1 and the color ones are 69 cents. You have your scissors and your clips and your files and your folders and stuff. So I thought I'd show you this section, at least what's new. Thank you so much for coming with me to the Dollar Tree, and I'll see you in the next video.